Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. Here we are with card number 2 featuring the Merry and Bright stamp set. I do have to apologize for my voice. I have a bit of a head cold. We are using a couple of different very soft colors for this card. The bulb wire I am inking up with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, but if it was true to form, I probably, if I was going to copy my Christmas tree, I probably would have made this string green because my light bulb strings are green. I don't know about yours, but in this card I chose to use black, and the reason being is because I wanted the sentiment Holly Jolly to be black. So it was a calculated move. And I put that sentiment right at the very bottom. So the colors that, so this is Smoky Slate, and this is the cap, or like the bobble screw or whatever of the lights. And this is Smoky Slate. I didn't actually get the dies until after, but I feel like you could have done so much with this without getting the bundle, without just the dies. So this is a Smoky Slate marker. It's the new version of the markers. This one has a felt tip end, and as you can see, it is amazing. I love the new marker formats. They're great. Not one complaint from me on that one. All right, so the colors that I used, soft seafoam for this one, and that's the card base too. Inked up the bulb and then went in with one of the, like a smaller filament, and then inked the filament there. Same color. This is Bubble Bath, and I inked up the filament there, and you can see it through. And then this is Lemon Lolly, and I will use the longer filament because there's 2 different filaments. And I think I was checking for cat hair. Goodness me. Cat hair is, a constant when you have cats that like to jump on your desk. It's their house, not mine, right? All right, so this little stamp, sadly it got lost at the lake house event, but it has 3 little lines to it. I figured if I wanted to replicate it, I can just use my markers, but yeah, 3 little lines there. And now I am adhering it to the soft seafoam card base. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section or the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.